Hello and welcome. My name is Andrea Henkels. I'm a holistic healer, mind-body coach, and licensed acupuncturist. The following affirmations were designed to help you own and claim your incredible, magnificent beauty. I highly suggest listening to them as you're getting ready for your day, or maybe a night out, or any other time that feels good to you. So when you're ready, let's begin. I am beautiful right now, just as I am. I become more beautiful each and every day. I allow myself to see the divine perfection in every cell of my body. I am whole and complete, exactly as I am. I am open to seeing just how incredibly beautiful I am in every single way. I am healthy and glowing. The only person's validation I need is my own. I love, respect, and care for myself. I appreciate the beauty within me and everyone else. I see the best in myself and in others. I love my reflection. I am beautiful on the inside. I am beautiful on the outside too. I love having perfect skin and a beautiful complexion. I love having healthy, shiny, beautiful hair. I exude beauty and confidence. I love and accept every single piece of me, mind, body, and soul. I look better and better every single day. The more I love myself, the more beautiful I become. Every cell in my body radiates perfect health and beauty. My beauty is worth seeing and appreciating. I am healthy, fit, beautiful, and strong. I accept and love myself exactly as I am. I treat myself with love and kindness. I am always appreciated for all that I am. I walk into every room with confidence. I am radiant. I radiate love and beauty. I always take excellent care of myself. It feels good to take excellent care of myself in every way. It feels good to prioritize my health and happiness. I love taking care of myself. I choose to love myself every day. My energy is attractive and magnetic. My positive energy shines brightly on everyone around me. I carry myself with grace and confidence. When I look in the mirror, I see a beautiful person here to experience amazing things. I have a beautiful face, mind, body, and spirit. I deserve the very best. I am confident, powerful, and feel amazing in my own skin. I am appreciated for my beauty inside and out. My attractiveness increases every single day. I am gorgeous, sexy, and powerful. My body is healthy, fit, attractive, and strong. I have a beautiful, perfect smile. I have gorgeous eyes that reflect my beautiful soul. I have perfect eyelashes and eyebrows. My lips are soft, kissable, and pink. My body is healthy and toned and functions perfectly for me. I love taking care of my beautiful body. I love honoring myself with self-care, hydration, movement, nourishing foods, and whatever else I need. I love myself unconditionally. I am enough. I matter. I am significant. I am beautiful. I am so grateful for every single beautiful piece of me. I am worthy and deserving of being the most beautiful version of myself, always. Every day, I wake up feeling beautiful. I love myself every day, in every way. And so it is. I hope you accept all of these affirmations as your truth. You are so beautiful. I love you so much. So have a beautiful day.